Hey yo, what's up YouTube? We're back with another banger video, and in today's video we got brakes, I got the bearings in the back, we got some stuff in the trunk. Got Brett back here. Man, we got a kid in his car. We're installing these brakes, bro. Let's go. Alright, see ya. What you eating, boy? The whip in. We got his whip right here. There. All the parts, got a lot of shit, but I guess we're gonna put this on a jack and see what we do, how it goes.
Not really.
It's leaking.
There you go.
The first one's always the hardest and the slowest. So we're gonna speed up after that. All right, y'all. Got the first one out. That's it. Gonna pop this damn rotor out. All right, y'all ready?
You're a bitch.
Harder?
A few inches later. A few minutes later. 3 days later.
Harder.
3 weeks later.
All right, you know what?
Many months later.
Oh, harder? Did you have to do this shit? No?
You just pop right off. And there's some stuff on it. I don't know what you did.
What the fuck did I do?
One eternity later.
This shit is hard, bro. Let's go. That shit was hard, bro. Oh shit.
The tabs? You bent the tabs?
I mean, it'll still go in there,
Yeah.
but
Oh yeah. Yeah, it should be.
okay.
Make sure it's the right size.
Is it 36?
Yeah, 36.
Damn, that shit loud as fuck, bro. Damn, this shit warm too.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Alright, so we got the bearing in. We're gonna tighten it now. But yeah, this shit was pretty hard, so let's do that. Is that right? Supposed to make that noise? For real? Even. That shit was easy, boy. Alright, y'all. So to replace was this little spindle nut, whatever they call it. But we got the new one in right here with the new bearing in there. I'm gonna put the brakes on there, calipers. Got these big old pizza slices. Shit is huge. Dude, so much better. Alright, y'all. Got that in. Front's about to be done soon. Alright, y'all. We're done with the front. Putting these wheels on there. Alright. Boom. Damn. Oh, can you pass me the lugs? Alright, yeah, we're on the back side. These are much smaller, but we need new ones. Here are the things that I was talking about.
The boots.
Oh yeah, that's why you're saying.
That's what I was asking.
Thank God I didn't take it off.
That's what I thought you were doing.
We're not taking brake line off. Did you take it off? No.
It's like a wasp.
Record. Record them get stung. Bro. Oh, hell no. Is that pin supposed to be? That's right?
Yeah. That's only can only go one way, right? Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, no. Bro, hold on. This is yours. The fuck, that shit is on yours. Alright, y'all. You told me it wouldn't take long.
Thought we were just
Yes,
doing
it
breaks.
I did. I really thought
He said,
we
you know, we'll be done by like 2 or 3 hours.
Yeah.
And we're gonna bleed it now. Oh,
There it is.
yeah, that's good. Yeah, buddy. We're gonna drop this bitch down. But that shit just went down. Yeah, we're done. We're finna test drive it and hopefully it stops. It's not bad. It's not bad though. It ain't the same, obviously. Oh, it's definitely recording. Dude, I might just piss out here, dog.
Tree right there.
Dancing through the fire. I hope that cop don't come get me. You're gonna hear me roar. If I can't see it, I'm gonna cut it out. Alright, yeah. We can probably do it. It again though?
Yeah. These recent ones in the back.
Alright, y'all, so I guess they break. It's just it's weird. Maybe I have to break them in and we'll see. Yo, buddy. Yeah. God damn. Oh shit, bro. Man, my camera didn't record it. Ah, slow shit. He was on his phone. What? He was on his phone. You good? The cop wasn't even looking at us. Damn, boy. Boy, I'm dirty as fuck, boy. That shit loud. Yeah, it's so fucking loud, bro. Hey, it'll work. It'll work. It's fine. I gotta get it checked. Alright, y'all. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Alright, y'all. That was the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll keep y'all updated on what's going on with the brakes. But other than that, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Yay!